Okay, if you got HP PhotoSmart 5524 and it should work with other HP PhotoSmart 5510, 5515, 5520. If you got problem with blacks, if it's like not printing at all, or you got continuous strikes on the blacks, you can fix this in relatively simple way. You have to open the cover. So the print head and with inks it's parked in this position. Then just plug out the power and remove all inks. Grab some paper towels. I did that with hot water with a little bit of washing up liquid. Just wet it, put it like this. Just move print head on the wet bit, then on the second paper towel just like this. Yeah. This. Put the ink back. And tools, clean print head, okay. And those strikes you can eliminate by going to here. All right. from the beginning. Here, the wrench icon, tools, and down, clean ink smears. This is because basically some rollers are wet and with ink, so